Hi, this is Mahima, a data science student from Guvi of batch DW4041. I started my journey at Guvi in the month of January and I completed the course by the same date in the month of May. So it was a 4 months course. The teachings and the mentors were absolutely great in their job. They really did teach us from the scratch. But a honest review from me would be that for teaching, definitely 4 months is a great time, but for learning, you might consume a little more time, especially if you're from a zero coding background and completely new to computer science when you're joining this. I'm one such student.